The cry of the earth and the cry of the poor in Uganda is very, very evident. Because I'm a native of Uganda, I have seen actually the changes over the years. When I was growing up, my home was surrounded by a natural, beautiful forest. Now that is all gone. There is a crisis of food shortage in the rural communities. The land is degraded. There is a lot of pollution, plastic pollution. There is a lot of also poverty and unemployment in the rural communities. The number of young people who have migrated into the cities, all this kind of really reflects the cry of the earth and the cry of the poor in Uganda. If someone asks me what is Bethany Land Institute, I would say it's an initiative in Uganda that was inspired by Pope Francis and his encyclical Laudato Si to respond to the cry of the earth and the cry of the poor. There are so many signs of hope that I already see at Bethany Land Institute as we work with the young people. The first sign of hope is the caretakers themselves. These are the young people that we work with. We call them caretakers, taking care of the land. I can already see an effect in the formation program. I can also see through our efforts how the depleted forest in Renewal has now been reforested. The other sign of hope that I can see is the way the soils are regenerating at Bethany Land Institute through our programs. We are taking soil samples, and you can see the level of nitrogen, the level of other minerals in the soil becoming really more and more improved. A number of our graduates, commissioned caretakers, are back in their communities. They have set up their small farms. They are working with the rural communities in regenerative agriculture. Others are starting some micro businesses and coffee growing. I have come to believe that actually vocations choose us. Because I didn't know why I got into this. I was just interested in planting 10 acres of forest to replace the forest that I knew growing up. And so that's how I started. And then one thing leading to another. And then I realized that I cannot now turn back. And we said, well, we cannot wait to figure out everything, we will start. And so we adopted from the very state as our motto, start small, start well, start now. Do not wait to figure out everything, but start. As long as you start well with a commitment and you start now.